What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can contact Pocket Option support. So let's get started. Also, if you guys don't have a Pocket Option account already or you would like to create a new one, you can use my link from the description below, and once you create an account and make a first deposit, you will get $50 or euros depending on your currency credited to your Pocket Option account. And now let's continue. So first off, to contact support, you would need to click on the help option in the left hand side. Once you're here, go ahead and select the first option, which says support service. Now here you would be redirected to the new screen where you can find different methods of support. So here you can view your existing support requests if you already submitted one in the past and you're expecting a response. Here you would be able to create a new support request, and also on the support chat, if you click on it, here you will be able to ask a quick question and get a response in a few minutes. But if your issue is a bit more complex, then just go ahead and go to support page again. From here, create a new support request by clicking this option. Now on this menu, you can select the nature of your request, so let's say general for example. And on the new menu, you can just specify it a bit more. So let's say mobile application and how to suggest a new feature. From here, you can just click create a new support request. And in this box right here, you can input your issue or describe what you're having issues with. Once done with that, you can attach a file or a screenshot that you have related to your issue, and you can just click submit. From there, you would just need to wait a response from a Pocket Option support representative, which is usually within the same day. So essentially guys, that's how you can contact Pocket Option support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.